Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on hiding and showing the Wi-Fi icon in the menu bar on Mac. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by clicking the Apple logo in the top left corner. Choose System Preferences from the menu that appears. In System Preferences, choose Dock and Menu Bar. You now need to select Wi-Fi from the left sidebar menu. Uncheck the checkbox to the left of Show in Menu Bar to remove the Wi-Fi icon from your Mac's menu bar. When the Wi-Fi icon is not in the menu bar, you can access it through the Control Center. To get to the Control Center, tap on the Control Center icon on the right of the menu bar. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.